Today, I am reviewing the MCombo Oversized Power Lift Recliner Chair. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to finding the perfect power lift recliner, it is often a struggle to find a chair that offers both heavy-duty functionality and genuine aesthetic appeal, but the MCombo Oversized Power Lift Recliner Chair manages to bridge that gap perfectly. If you are looking for a piece of furniture that prioritizes safety and mobility without looking like a piece of hospital equipment, then this model R7092 is an outstanding choice. What immediately strikes me about this chair is the scale. It is specifically designed for the big and tall community or for anyone who simply values having extra room to move around. The 27.2-inch seat width is significantly more generous than your standard recliner, which prevents that cramped feeling and allows for much better posture adjustment throughout the day. It is recommended for users between 5'7" and 6'2", and the extra surface area makes a noticeable difference in how supported you feel from side to side. The core of this chair is the Power Lift Assistance, which is powered by a TUV-certified actuator. This is not just a standard motor, it is a smooth and counterbalance mechanism that gently pushes the entire chair up to help you stand without putting any unnecessary strain on your back or knees. This is a game changer for the elderly or for those recovering from surgery because it provides a sense of independence and safety that is hard to put a price on. Beyond the lift, the chair reclines up to 150 degrees, which is about 10 degrees more than your typical single-motor lift chair. That extra bit of tilt makes a huge difference when you're trying to find that sweet spot for a deep afternoon nap or just looking for maximum pressure relief on your lower back. The therapeutic features are another area where the MCombo really shines. It comes equipped with 8 vibration nodes and a dedicated lumbar heating zone. What I really appreciate is that the heat and the vibration work independently of each other. You can choose to have a warming sensation on your lower back while the vibrators are off, or you can run both simultaneously to tackle muscle stiffness after a long day. With 3 different massage modes and 3 intensity levels, you can really fine-tune the experience to suit your mood. They have also included auto-off timers for 10, 20, or 30 minutes, which is a thoughtful safety feature for those who might drift off to sleep while the heat is on. Convenience was clearly a priority in the design of this chair. Having built-in cup holders and both USB and Type-C charging ports right in the armrest means you do not have to constantly reach over to a side table. Your phone, your tablet, and your favorite beverage are always within reach. They even added a loop on the armrest to hold the remote, so you never have to worry about it falling between the cushions or being out of reach when you are in the lifted position. The fabric itself is also worth mentioning because it is OEKO-TEX certified and the sponge is CertiPUR-US certified. This gives you peace of mind knowing that the materials are safe and environmentally responsible without compromising on the plushness and durability of the upholstery. From a style perspective, the shell backrest design is a welcome departure from the bulky and unattractive look of traditional lift chairs. The curves are fluid and modern, making the dark gray fabric look sophisticated in almost any living room setting. Even the assembly process is surprisingly simple for a chair of this size. All the parts are designed to move through doorways easily, and you can put it together in about 20 minutes without needing a single tool. It is essentially a matter of clicking the armrests and backrest into place and connecting a few clearly labeled wires. When you combine all of these features with the 2-year limited warranty that covers everything from the lift mechanism to the upholstery, you have a reliable, high-quality recliner that offers incredible value and long-term comfort for anyone needing that extra bit of assistance and space.